In this video, I'm taking you on an epic journey for golden round trip to Mount Pilatus in Lucerne, Switzerland, which is a gorgeous Swiss city sitting at the foot of Alps and the shore of river Lucerne. In this trip, you will explore the beautiful countryside by boats, cogwheel, trains, gondolas, and many other transportation. I will also let you know about the best ticket options you have and how should you plan your trip to the peak of Mount Pilatus. So stick with me and enjoy. So before you visit Mount Pilatus, I would recommend to come to this website called pilatus.ch. I will put the link in the description section below, and this website tells you how is the weather at the peak and at the different stations while you are visiting Pilatus, because sometimes it happens that the weather at the below stations are good, you don't have any fog down there, but as soon as you reach at the top there is lot of fog, the weather is not nice, there is no visibility. So you need to make sure that before you come up to this location you have a very clear weather. Also this website tells about the various facilities like the cable car or the cogwheel, are they running. It can also tell you about how is the weather there, whether there are thunderstorms in the afternoon, whether there is a rain forecast, how is the humidity. It will tell you all those things, because this is very important as you may need to pack up some clothes with you if it is cold up there. We will start our journey by boarding train from Zurich to Lucerne, which is a 1-hour ride. This is the 4-day Swiss pass which we will be using throughout our trip in Switzerland. This is Zurich main station, and let me show you from outside. Here comes our train for Lucerne. And here is the second class coach which we will be boarding. This is one single seat for you. Come sit over here. Sit over here. Yes, this is a single seat for Hichikunu only. Awesome. The train ride from Zurich to Lucerne is beautiful and we enjoyed the view outside. After reaching Lucerne, you can head to the first floor tourist information counter where you can purchase the ticket to Mount Pilatus. Do remember to show your Swiss pass for the discounted rates. As soon we came out of the Lucerne train station, right across the road you can board the boat to Alpenstadt. I loved the Grand Gate standing outside the station with a clock. Not sure what this is called? Do let me know if in comments if you know about this. So this is the map for the whole journey of Mount Pilatus, and we are currently at Lucerne station, circled in red. From here we will do a boat ride of 1 hour approx to Alpenstadt station, where we will take the cogwheel train to Mount Pilatus. During our return we will take two different cable cars to reach Cranes and then back to Lucerne station. You can do the trip in other way round as well. We wanted to have the boat ride first, so we went to Pier 2 to catch the boat. By the way, you can buy your tickets to Mount Pilatus from here as well. I wanted to head to the top deck, but soon all my hopes got shattered.
First class or second class?
Second class. Captain told second class ticket holders stays on the lower deck. Now remember, there is no seat numbering, so it's a first come first serve basis. People usually don't prefer sitting inside unless it is raining, so don't waste time like I did. Just head quickly to grab your seat for the best view. This is an hour ride on the Lake Lucerne. The mountains, color of water, greenery and the breeze. Everything was so pure and beautiful that I don't have words. What best I can recommend is to go there to experience it. The whole stretch and its surrounding was so beautiful and mesmerizing that even an hour passed unnoticed. On reaching Alpenstadt station, the weather was sunny, but don't be fooled by this because you will later see in this video that suddenly it became very cold. So do remember to bring your cold clothes with you. Once you come out of the dock, you will notice the cogwheel station just opposite to it. You will find a ticket exchange desk and a ticket office. Reach out to the exchange desk if you have already purchased the ticket at Lucerne station as we did. Else, you can go to the ticket office to grab your tickets.
You have one child only?
One child only.
Yeah. Train leaving past 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Today we have a lot of people.
We received two kinds of tickets. One for the whole Pilatus journey using cable car, gondola, etc. Other one specific for the cogwheel journey to the top of the mountain, mentioning the time, like for us it was at 2:55 p.m. Now if you want to know about the pricing of Mount Pilatus, I would recommend this link or from the Mount Pilatus website. I will provide the link in the description. You can take it from there. This provides you all the different pricings and different ways you can commute to these particular places. If you want to have individual tickets, you can do that as well, or you can take the full golden tour, or you can take a silver tour. So to help you understand better, what I've done is I've drawn these different trips that you can take. The starting point of golden round trip can be from Lucerne, but you can take it from either side. Means you can either go to Cranes and then you can go to Pilatus, and then you can come down the cogwheel, and then from Alpenstadt you can come down through the boat. So this depends upon you, so you can take it from either side, you can start it from either side, that depends upon you. But the difference between the golden round trip and the silver round trip is simple. It is the difference in the commute from Lucerne to Alpenstadt. So now in golden round trip you have a boat there, while in the silver you can only take a train. Now if you are a Swiss travel pass, then it is 36 Czech franc more that you have to pay, while if you don't have a Swiss pass, the full ticket for the golden round trip of second class will be 103 Czech franc, while for the child it will be 52.2 between the age group of 6 to 15, while children's below 6 are free. Now if you are on a silver round trip, the prices are little cheaper, but then definitely you don't enjoy the views from the boat. So I would highly recommend that you take the golden round trip then silver round trip, because it is just few bucks more, but the experience is amazing while you take the boat from Lucerne to Alpenstadt. The normal trip can be just 72, which is a second class round trip. So you can either start from Alpenstadt or you can start from Cranes. On both the direction you can do the whole trip from 72 Czech franc. Cogwheel Rail is really an engineering marvel, and it started its operation back in 1889 when it used to run with steam. Cogwheel Rail is operational only between months May to November, hence you need to check if this is running during your travel period. Baby prams are not allowed inside the coach, they will be kept at the back of the train. For best view, I would recommend get the first or the last coach and try sitting on the right hand side while going up facing river Lucerne. At some points, the train tracks are inclined at an angle of 45 degrees, and I tell you, it's really very steep. You will have ample time to take lot of photos as train ascends slowly at a pace of 9 to 12 km per hour. It takes 30 minutes approx to reach the top. Once you arrive, you leave the train and walk to the building called Pilatus Cum, which houses a whole range of facilities including the cableway back down. The terrace of the building was the best point to take photos, and if you love hiking, then you can take the trail to have the views from the peak.
ये गाय की
घंटी
घंटियाँ awesome.
ऊपर हो गया ना तो नीचे चलो
अरे अभी ऊपर नहीं पहुँचे ना आओ थोड़ा सा ऊपर that's the thing.
It was fun and the view from the top was amazing. You can enjoy the breathtaking landscapes, see the whole Lucerne and its surrounding.
और नीचे चलो
चिमू देखो क्लाउड्स आ रहे हैं न्यू की माँ की आँख करने के लिए इसके बाद आपको कोई व्यू नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बादल आते हुए हैं.
Now during our return to Lucerne, we came down from other side of mountain using aerial cableway and gondolas. So we went back to Pilatus Cum, where we arrived today morning, scanned our passes to board the Pilatus Dragon aerial cableway, which is a large gondola which has quite a big capacity. It has big windows to give you a different perspective. But as the weather was not in our favor and the clouds were prepared to destroy all our views, I still managed to try to grab few shots. After this, from Fragmuntic station, you need to change to a small 4-person gondola. The weather was cold and it was still raining. The final stop brings you to a small suburb of Lucerne where you need to walk about 5 to 10 minutes down to main road to catch the bus number 1.
जूते में पानी चला गया मेरे, पता नहीं कैसे।
इसमें पानी चला गया।
हाँ, मेरे जूते में पानी चला गया बेटा।
और मोजा पहने हो?
मोजा पहनो, मोजा भी गीला हो गया। ओह मम्मा, क्या हुआ? क्या व्यू है। Which way to bus number 1?
Right here.
Thank you, thank you.
Continue, go down
Thank you.
the main road. On
Okay,
the right.
okay, thanks.
Even though it was a 10 minutes walk, but I loved every second of that because of these beautiful houses, calm surroundings, nice views with amazing weather of Switzerland, and the drizzle made me hope that the journey never comes to an end.
YouTube. Say hi to camera. Hi to camera.